Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Tita Ann. Today I am so excited because I am participating in my very first collaboration, a Christmas food collaboration hosted by Fallon over at Moss Family TV. My contribution for today's collab for Christmas food is mini cheesecakes. I've already prepped my pan with the cupcake liners, and the crust for this cheesecake is vanilla wafers. I'm using this vanilla wafers. You can use any brand you want to, and all you do is drop one cookie in each liner. Then we're gonna work on the cheesecake mixture. This one will have a bonus. In this bowl, we will be preparing our filling, which will be 2 blocks of cream cheese. These blocks are 8 ounces. So you will need 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese. And it can be any cream cheese you want. There's low fat, there's regular, not flavored cream cheese, just plain cream cheese. I've kind of already had this cream cheese sitting at room temperature. It's much easier to work with. I'm going to mix this first to soften it more and to blend it before I add my other ingredients. Now I will add a 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla. I've made this recipe for my family for years and years and years. Today I'm gonna put a little twist on it to make it a little bit more festive and Christmassy. So you can take it to your Christmas potluck or your family gatherings, or just for your family Christmas party with your friends, family, relatives. Now, I'm going to eyeball it and divide some of this into another bowl. Let's see. Should be about like half, because I'll make a dozen Christmassies. Actually, they all look Christmassy. Then, into the Christmassy ones, I'm going to add some food coloring, green. So our cheesecake layer will have a green tint. 1, 2, 3. Let's see how that goes. 3. Ooh, it's gonna be very green. I like to fill it with 1 big tablespoon first, and then go back. And my oven is already preheated at 325, and we're gonna leave it in there from 20 to 25 minutes. Then we're gonna take it out, cool it, and we can top it with our cherry top. While the cheesecakes are in the oven, I'll show you how to make these cute little festive cupcake toppers. You'll definitely want to use the extra long toothpicks because you'll need space for your stickers and enough space for the cheesecake. And this will make it even more Christmassy. I purchased my stickers from Hobby Lobby, and they were a pack of 96 pieces for only $2.99. Hobby Lobby had a special which was 50% off of Christmas craft and decoration. All right, what you need to do is peel the back of the sticker, stick it on the toothpick, one on each side. Keep in mind that you need a space from the point to the middle, at least the middle, for your cheesecake. Then you can just embellish the toothpicks in whichever way you want. The cheesecakes have cooled, and now it's time to put on our toppings. I'm using cherry filling. If you wanted a thicker cheesecake, you could just do 12 with this one recipe and make it thicker. At this point, you can put any type of filling you want to. You could put strawberry pie filling on this, apple. You could put fresh fruits. For example, slices of kiwi, mango, strawberries. Some people might not want the thick syrupy, so they could put fresh fruit. Banana, pear. And now you can embellish it with your own picks. Here's our finished product, our Christmas cheesecakes, mini cheesecakes. I hope you can try this recipe. It's yummy and it's easy and it's so festive. If you do try it, comment below and let me know how it turns out. I'd also like to thank Fallon from Moss Family TV for hosting this open collaboration. Remember to check out her channel. The information is in the description box below. I hope you all have a nice holiday, a peaceful and a restful season. Mahalo for watching. Aloha, Merry Christmas, and Mele Kalikimaka.